Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Finding working StockX coupon code is pretty easy. Today I am going to teach you how to find working StockX coupon code. First you need to go to Google and search for coupons follows. Click on the first website which you should to be followed, couponfollow.com. Once they are, simply search for StockX. As you can see, StockX will be pop-up for displaying all the available coupon codes. Make sure to read the details carefully because there might be tricky conditions. Use the coupon codes to get a discount on your purchase. Keep in mind that sometimes these codes will not be work because they have already been used. So might need to be wait for the codes to be renewed. The pretty much I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icons for the latest updates. Thanks for watching again.